sihlalele nje sisibongiwe kuyimini nje eright nje kuyi-Saturday kwi-weekend sihleli nomuntu wami sinomuntu wami ke sabantu nje mina ngiphuzi yena umuntu ophuzayo. Uthi ngelinye ilanga-ke sihlalele kanjalo uyangibuza ukuthi enene yini engiyithandayo engifisa ukuyenza ngokocansi in my life that I've never done before. Uthi ngalezo sikhathi ngiyazi ukuthi mina nomuntu wami like siyazenza into eziningi, you know what I mean, when it comes to umjolo nothando nokulalana, but this time uyangibuza ukuthi yini engiyithandayo engihalelayo engazi ukuthi nje ayijwayele ukuthi yenzeke kwimpilo yethu. Uthi bese ngiyamtshela mina ukuthi ayikho nje everything ngibe untombazane about it, ngithi nje ayikho nje everything nje esenzayo is exactly what I want in ngokocansi. Sanibonani-ke bonke lo Ndlovukazi, ngiza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe. Uthi-ke bese naye-ke uyawushintsha kumbuzo abesebuza uGayi ukuthi uGayi-ke wena Gayi-ke ngicela ukubuza ukuthi yini nje ofisa ukuthi uyenze that is nje out of this world when it comes to ucansi. Uthi athi uGayi enene mina ngifisa ukuthi enene kube umunye umuntu osifazane kanye nawe kanye nami embedeni and we are having i-3 ntontoni. Uthi and then I laughed and he laughed. Uthi I was like, really? Athi uGayi, yeah, that's what I always wanted to have intercourse with 2 women at once, like, and see how it's gonna be. Uthi and I was like, okay, ngamhleka mina ngathi-ke, but just know that that's not gonna happen kwi-relationship yethu. Uthi ayisiqhubeke nomuntu wami sijole, like siyazijolela nje simnandi and sikwi-vibe, siqhubeke nje senze izinto zethu and sihlala sobabili nje. Use umuntu futhi to a point whereby useze wahamba wayovela ekhaya ungicelile kuphela, of course usa-collect imali ukuthi angilobole. Uthi siqhubeke nje sihlale kamnandi njalo ngama-weekends nje siba mnandi, yena uyaphuza mina ngiphuzi. Sometimes we host abangani bakhe bayeza bazosivakashela, sometimes sihamba sekubangani bakhe, but nje sihlale nje sibhizi sileyo couple nje ethanda i-vibe nje, ethanda izinto nje, ethanda nje and sisebancane nje. Uthi okay, abese uGayi kuphinde ngelinye ilanga ukuthi masebebuya emgrooveni abese yamphinde yamtshela ukuthi yakhumbula ukuthi enene ngikhulume nawe ngale yanto leyana, uke wacabanga ukuthi enene singayenza na, are you okay with us doing it? Uthi mina bese ngithi mina ayibo ungazongibhedela wena, I don't think mina ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiyenze leyo nto leyo, mina ngifuna ukubona wena ulala nomunye umuntu esifazane. uGayi kusho ukuthi amncenge alokho emncenga azacina ugelethe enene, okay, because ngiyabona ukuthi it's something that you want to do. Ambuza athi into ozoyenza kanye empilweni yakho, athi uGayi, yeah, I just want to try it out and see ukuthi makuyimina nabantu besifazane abawu-2 ekamereni kuzoba njani. Uthi uGeli abesethi no, it's fine, but we have to plan ukuthi uzoyenza kuphi kanjani. Uthi nangampela bahambe baye endaweni ethile, mabaye endaweni ethile, endaweni engathi i-club nje ey'ntweni zasebusuku. Uthi bese bebona omunye usisi nje owayehlalele yedwa, like dancing all alone. Uthi bese uGayi athume yena, uthi kube atshele mina ukuthi mina ngimfunele umuntu engizoba comfortable naye. So ngalelo busuku sasiplanile ukuthi okay ke sizoyenza leyo nto leyo. Uthi nangampela ke ngihambe ke ngiyokhuluma naye ntombazane le, ngithola ukuthi hayi cha iyodwa and iyafika la eGoli, ayijwayele umuntu, so ngizitshela ukuthi okay ngizo approacha yona bese ngiyayibuza ukuthi enene so what kind of a person, lo ngi-interviewer nje eze siyaphuza bese ngithi ingathanda yini ukuhlala nathi because ibuke ngathi ihamba yodwa. Yathi intombazane ngingajabula ukuthi ngihlale nani because akekho vele bengizele nje ukuthi ngizozi-enjoyela, akekho umuntu engimaziyo la kule ndawo. Nangampela uGeli bahlale naye baxoxe bese yaqala uGeli athi enene, you know, I want umyeni wami axoxe as girls. Bayaxoxa ke nje athi yazi umyeni wami ungitshela ukuthi enene ufuna ukuthi senze into ekuthiwa i3. Ngeke ngize ngiqedele ngoba ngifuna ukuthi kuvale account yami i3 ntontoni. So manje he's been begging me and asking me ukuthi ufuna senze lonto and mina I don't want to do it because like uGeli lo munye aphendule phezulu athi but why why ungafuni ukwenza? Because I think it's good for i-relationship yenu, kuzoboost i-relationship yenu. Kwasho amananga achaze nje ugele, kusho ugele abe excited nje ukuthi okay uGuy kalo sisi ufuna ukwenza i3 ntontoni, abe excited. Uthe makaba excited kanjalo ugele abe sethi so wena ungayenza. Ugele lo one-boyfriend umngani wethu athi so wena ungavuma mangase kuthiwa siya-approacha thina siyi-couple sithi and then woza endlini yethu sizokwenza intontoni. Athi ugele, I mean, if you guys would pay me, I would, like, I would do it. Like, not that ngiyadayisa ngomzimba, but I've never thought ukuthi I would do something like that in my life, but if ungangikhokhela, I would gladly come. Nangampela ba-exchange ama-numbers nogele lo abamethe eklabhini, ba-exchange ama-numbers awanike untombazana angathathwa indoda, bese beyahamba bagoduke nogele agoduke. Bafike ekhaya indoda babuzane-ke benogele ukuthi and then so uzomfonela ugele, abesethi and then uGuy buza ugele ukuthi uzomfonela yini lo sisi lo sihlangana naye eklabhini. Athi and then ngizomfonela, but we just need to make it work. And also uthe usisi ufuna ukuthi wena kufuneka akhokhelwe imali. Nangampela ka besethi uGuy okay kufuneka simbuze ukuthi ufuna ukukhokhelwa malini so that we can just do it and siyeke bese siyayeka-ke siqhubeke nempilo. Nangampela ke bamfonela kugele, ugele washo ukuthi yena she would want to be paid 15,000 and it's going to be something azoyenza once. Uthi ke usisi ke afuna u15,000. Uthi akuyona into wena Bongiwe le engangifuna mina ukuyenza actually, kodwa because ngangibona ukuthi indoda yami I very happy when he talks about ukuthi kufunekalana nabantu besifazane ababili ngesikhathi esisodwa. Uthi nami ngagcina sengithi okay it's fine, ngingampleaser and it's also gonna be a once off thing bese siyayeka. Uthi nangampela ayike kushaya isikhathi uGuy uyasebenza and bazama ukuthi basave leyo mali leyo for 2 months and save uGuy. Uthi nje ngimtshela ukuthi angizingeni angizukuba involved la usave khona imali, angizukwenza lutho, I'm not participating when it comes to finance, but ngicela la endlini singabi nama problems just because wena you are saving money ukuthi wenze izinto zakho. Athi guys sharp, no problem, I'll provide. Bese athi wena the only thing you can do ukuthi ukhulume nogele umtshele and set up i-date. Nangampela kwadlula inyanga embili baset up i-date nogele, ugele bahamba baya ehotela elithile eGoli elisesentini. Excuse me. Uthi mabeya kule bafike kule hotela, so uGuy no girl ba-check in laba bakwi-relationship ba-check in eqala and then base benika ugeli i-room number ukuthi yena uzofika afike ngesikhathi esukuthi. Hayi uthi nangampela ugeli washow up, hayi uthi ugeli gorgeous my darling, uthi gorgeous wafika nje gorge ugeli for lifers. Uthi so because mina ngene umuntu ophuzayo, umuntu wami ke vele useprepareile utshwala, ugeli simbuzile ukuthi uphuzani, kuthengwe utshwala, ku-order utshwala, kuhlalwe ke kuqalwe kubukwele ama movies lawa khona ucansi. Uthi ke siwabuke size sibone ukuthi hayi no yabo manje sesishubile, sesiyeza ukuthi imizimba hayi yashisa ishisa bhe. Uthi ke aqale ugeli kube uye okhumula kuqala, uyakhumula unomzimba omuhle Bongiwe, untombazane wakhona unomzimba omuhle, akhumula athi ngithi nithe enene sizosebenza so asenzeni ngisheshe ngiqede khona ngizohamba ngithatha imali yami le nithi nizokunika yona. Hayi uthi bahleke bathi hayi bokwazi wa quick bo usujahile, athi hayi into engifuna phela imali mina, iyona nje into engizelela ukuthi uzokwenza imali. Uthi nangampela ke aqale uGuy uthi enene intombazane mayikhumula ngaleso sikhathi igqoke i-lingerie thile, uthi umzimba muhle, ithanga liyakhephuzela yayinhlingane yabantu. Uthi inhliziyo yami ishaye kancane ukuthi hayibo ngempela ngiyavuma yini ukuthi umyeni wami uzolala like i-boyfriend yami because babe wemcelile but akazange azaqeda ukulobola. Uthi enene ngiyavuma yini ukuthi ngempela siyenze lento, uthi cause manje mina ngiphuzi, umuntu ophuzile la umyeni nontombazane, mina nje ngisober as a judge. Uthi aqale ke uGuy uthi abambe mina kuqala abese yasho ukuthi intombazane ayibambe yena. nangampela baqale-ke babambane-ke babhucungane-ke bapholishane-ke babhucungane-ke uthi yeyi baphinde bashintshane ugeli ubhize emabeleni kalo munye ugeli nje kuyamuncwana nje kunzima nje kubhizi ku-hectic uthi kusafika isikhathi sokuthi kulalane uthi waqala ugayi wangena entombazaneni le uthi wathi wathi esuka lapho uthi but into engifuna niyazi ukuthi sasisebenzisa i-protection asange size senze nje siphuthe impilo zethu in danger because ugeli sasikamazi uthi wangena waphuma uthi engakaqedi wabe edonsa mina uthi yeyi kangiqala nami ubona ukuthi kanti indoda yami iyasangana ekhanda uthi yathi yathi ngena kumina yangivavaza uthi ngalesikhathi evavaza lo ngomile ekheqe ngaleso sikhathi ngifise ngathi ngcono ukuthi umina uthi adrenaline and yonke into nje yayenzeka emzimbeni uthi wow like uthi wow and manje ngifuna enze mina kodwa but manje nginesikhwele kodwa manje futhi ngiyahala ukuthi nje hayibo wangena kuyena ugayi uthi wangena uthi waqeda lapho wenza wase etshela bona ukuthi enene hayi nani qhubekani mase qedile yena ukukhipha into zakhona wathi abaqhubeke bebodwa uthi intombazane yamngena ingena ugeli uthi phela mina nginamahloni ngaleso sikhathi uthi ize kumina intombazane ingibambe ingingene yenza into zakhona uthi yeyi angiyazi leyanto leya uthi angiyazi leyanto leya uthi to a point whereby ngicabanga ukuthi umzimba wami mhlawumbe ngizoya into shock mhlawumbe ngishone because the excitement that I had was just beyond me like nje kwangathi ngiyaqala nokuthi ngifike kulela level lokujabula nje vele ngangiqala ngoba ngangikaze ngiexperience into nje uthi bathatha ibreak kancane baphinde babuhlabe ugaya isivumelano sabo ukuthi ekseni bayahlukana omunye uzohamba shone le nomunye ahamba shone le uthi in the process of that baphuza utshwala baphinde baphuza utshwala ugayi uthenge nezinto zakhona uthi kuyabhenywa nokubhenywa la ugayi ubhema insangu uthi ugeli-ke lo munye akayibhema insangu but ugayi uyabhema uthi mina the only thing vele bengiyenza kube kubhema insangu kodwa nje utshwala bengingaphuzi uthi kubhenywe insangu kuphinde kuqalwe phansi kuphindwe khona uthi hayi ize indoda ingene ngapha iphuma ngapha omunye ongaphansi omunye ujabulisa indoda ngaphezulu omunye ujabulisa indoda ngezansi uthi ngathi hey ukuthi webongwe ngangiqala ukuthi ngenza into enjeya and yonke le yanto ngangiyenzela ukuthi so that azoyeka lo body lo ukuthi alokho engicela ukuthi ufuna ukwenza i3 bani uthi the thing is I felt like after saqeda-ke until ugeli ekseni wanikwa imali yakhe saqhubeka thina salala because we were planning to stay ehotela another night just so that we can just recharge and then go back home uthi-ke akhokhelwe kugeli ahambe so mina because nginey'number zikageli like sesigoduka sesiphindele endlini ngigcinile-ke inamba ugayi futhi azange azazicela inamba zageli uthe nje yena vele was a once off for him he just wanted to do it uthi but mina ngiyarealize manje bonke ukuthi lento umuntu wami unintroduce kuyona it's something that I like uthi manje ngiyafisa ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi ingcono si-ede abanye abantu yena kube nendoda enye nentombazane ukuthi siqhubeke siyenze because last time yangijabulisa mangimxoxela ugayi sengimtshela ukuthi okay ngicabanga ukuthi siyenze kanje siqhubeke lento because yenza relationship yethu ibe better and it spices up uthando lethu ugayi athi cha ngangitshelile ngathi kuzoba once off othi yabona-ke bongiwe ngoba phela indoda manje isingitshela ukuthi yayishilo ukuthi once off uthi ngathula esihleni naye lana masiye kuba umnandini manje uthi ihamba ivuke lento ukuthi mina nje manje sengifuna ukuthi ngenze kube khona omunye umuntu sebe bawu4. Uthi ngamncenga wanqaba, ngasuka lapho ngatshela intombazane le, ngakhuluma nale ntombazane lokuthi is she still interested yini ekwenzeni into. Untombazane wacabanga ukuthi uzoyenza nomyeni wami. Uthi ngamtshela ngathi no, awuzukuyenza nomyeni wami, thina sizothola abantu abawu2 besilisa who will do i4 manje nawe. Uthi girl but umyeni wakho uzobe kuphi ngaleso sikhathi i-boyfriend yakho? Uthi no, akafuni ukuyenza. Abesethi no, mina nginike inamba yakhe ngikhulume naye ngikucelele. Uthi nangempela ngiyazi nokuthi intombazane yathini kuyena. Bakhuluma nangempela uGuy wavuma. Uthi awuzozwa yini? Uthi ke so ngimnikile ke inamba kamuntu wami ukuthi bakhulume ke basale bekhuluma ke nomuntu wami beyixoxa indaba. Uthi ke umuntu wami ke wagcina evumile uthi angimazi uGuy ukuthi wathini kena, kodwa nje into engiyazi ukuthi wagcina uGuy evumile ukuthi enene senze into zakhona. Okay, now sengihleli la endlini ke ngiyacabanga ke indoda manje emsebenzini sengiyaregreta ke manje ukuthi enene why nginike uGuy inamba yomuntu wami, what if bayabonana behind my back. Okay, kuze kufika usuku la siplana khona ukuthi sizobonana, but kwenzeka kwaba nesifo kubuka myeni wami kwabuka boyfriend, kwaba nesifo kwashona udade wabo. Then we ended up not doing it, sakhansela ke kwagcina ingenzekanga ke. Yagcina ngiphelile ke leyo ndaba leyo, nalabo bantu ayibaplanile uGuy ngoba uGuy wathi uzoplana ukuza nabantu, yagcina ingenzekanga ke. Uthi but now manje bongiwe into engirealizeayo ne, ngiyarealize ukuthi ngathi umuntu wami useyafonelana nalo girl behind the scenes. Uthi nakhona mina owenza ukuthi uGuy abe nenamba yamuntu wami. Uthi I'm not sure ukuthi ubani phakathi kwabo ofonayo onegotiatayo oxoxa nomunye. Uthi kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi manje ngathi khona uxoxa akhona ngoba ngelinye ilanga nje ike iyaring ifone yakhe and then kuyinamba engayazi, but mase ngibambe mina lo namba ngithi hello bese kuphendula uGuy abesethi hawu unjani, cha bengicheck nje ukuthi ni right yini. Bese ngithi mina no si right, but why usufone efonini kamuntu wami? Athi I know bengithi ngifonela wena kahle kahle but angiyazi ukuthi iphi number engayisave. Uthi bese kuphela kanjalo. Uthi phinde futhi ifone yomuntu wami ke bekuyifone engijwayele ukuthi ngingene kuyona ngiphume kuyona like as I pleased. Uthi mangithi ngiyafika ku WhatsApp nje usephuzileke, ngiyafika hayi i-contact ku WhatsApp igama eliphezulu la ntombazane le ngathi nje bayachatha nje and they are planning ukuthi bazobonana futhi. Uthi manje la into engiplan ukuyenza mina because baplanile la kubhaliwe ukuthi enene bazohlangana futhi kulona la hotel esasikulona and bazohlangana ngosuku lokuthi. Uthi bongiwe ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi ngabe kuyiphutha yini if mina bafika sengikhona ehotel o noma ngibhuke eceleni ngalesikhathi nje sebehlangene bese ngiyangqonqoza ngene siqhubeke la sisigcine khona ngoba phela they can't be doing this behind my back manje bangincisha ubumnandi because uyena wangintroduce kulento and also now he's cheating because eqaleni kwakuthi soyenza and we were going to be fine, but manje ngifile ngathi useyangichithela. Uthi manje angazi ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani, ngiyacela ukuthi ni advise ukuthi ngenze njani because akafuni ukuluza le ndodo uyayithanda and also akafuni futhi naye ukuthi angabe part of this thing. Uthi ngcono ukuthi bamtshelile benze bonke kunokuthi bisebenza bobabili privately. Hey mngani wethu, nawe befuna ukungavumi yabona manje itshela imingothi ngicela nimtsheleni umngani wethu senze njani. Hayi indoda esiphinda iyokwenza i2 ke engasekho ke manje ayisayenzi 3 siyenza i2 umngani wethu akasekho sebemvalela ngaphandle. Marora baba yini